Hi guys, today we are going to talk about your homework 2 questions. And if you have watched the video about last week's discussions, you may notice that today's questions will be very similar. And you know that the homework 2 is not the PDF version, so here I'm just writing it up and then share the answers, okay? So first one is that you need to tell if this is uh uh increasing scale, decreasing scale, or constant return to scale. Okay, so here about the definition. Let's use the pink color to the definition. So what is the constant return to scale? Is that when you use lambda times k, lambda times L equals lambda times the original FKL, then this is the constant return to scale. And the increasing return to scale is that, again, if you use lambda k, lambda L, but you have more than lambda times FKL, then this is increasing return to scale. So same logic, what is the decreasing return to scale? Is that F lambda k, lambda L smaller than lambda times FKL. Okay, so this is a decreasing to scale. So let's go to the first question. Now the production function is Y is F and L. So let's do the thing. So now you know F is FKL, right? So let's just use lambda K and lambda L, where F lambda K lambda L equals, just substitute lambda K to K and lambda L to L, and then you can have lambda times K plus L, where equals lambda times FKL. Okay, so this is the constant return to scale if the production function form is the linear combination of K and L. And the next form, when Y equals K power of 0.5 times L power of 0.7, then again use the definition F lambda K lambda L, then substitute it lambda K power of 0.5 and lambda L power of 0.7, you can have lambda power 1.2 FKL. So actually, you know that the lambda is the thing that the number larger than 1. So here, you know lambda power of 1.2 larger than L. So this is the increasing return to scale. Okay, so the next one is that Y equals K power 0.5, but plus L power 0.5. Okay, so do the same thing. Use lambda K to substitute K. Use lambda L to substitute original L. Then you can have, this is lambda 0.5, lambda power of 0.5 times FKL. So here, this is the thing. You know lambda 0.5 power smaller than lambda because lambda is larger than 1. So this is the decreasing return to scale. So this is the first one is the constant return to scale, no matter what the parameter of fk, the k and l, and the second one, because the sum of the power is larger than 1. So this is the increasing return to scale. And the third form that you need to you need to tell according to the function form. There's no like the constant answer for it. Okay, so the next thing, in the competitive market, what you know about the wage and the rent? Actually, wage is just the MPL, the marginal production of labor, and the rent of capital equals the marginal production of capital. And you know what is MPL is 4, right? And L equals to 2, and MPK is 1, K is 4. So do you know what is the labor income? It's just W times L equals to 8. And same logic, the capital income equals R times K equals 4, right? And the total income would be sum of the labor income and the capital income. So it would be 8 plus 4 equals to 12. Now, what you know about the labor share? The labor share is just the labor income divided by the total income, which is 8 over 12. So it's just you can use the decimals is okay, but doesn't matter. Okay, and the capital income, the capital share equals the capital income divided by the total income, which is 4 over 12, 1/3. Okay, so this is the thing. I think if you have reviewed the discussion last week, then there's nothing difficult for you, okay? And the third one, the public saving and government expenses. And now you know the net export is 0, S is 150, Y 300, X 80, consumption 80. So first step, you need to know what is a private saving. The private saving is just the total income divided, subtract tax, subtract consumption. This is naturally constant with our logic, right? Because after you earn the wage, you have to pay the tax, you have to buy something to satisfy your life expenses. Then the rest of the rest would be the private saving, which is 140. And step 2, the national saving. The national saving is actually private saving plus the public saving. So now you know what is the public saving. It's just the national saving minus the private saving, which is 10. 150 minus 140 equals to 10. Okay, so and then the last one would be the government expenses. G equals T minus public saving, which is 80 minus 10 equals to 70. So this is the third question. And the last one would be the most important, the easiest one, because you know the MPC, marginal propensity to consume, and MPS, the marginal propensity to saving, is 1. So now you know MPC is what? 0.6. So here, of course, you know MPS would be 0.4. Okay, so this is the homework 2. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me.